Today's sponsor is BT Miners. BT Miners has been a longtime sponsor of the channel and a proven reliable source for ASIC miners. If you are looking to purchase ASICs hardware from Bitcoin to Dogecoin miners, they are available for purchase on bt-miners.com. BT Miners has recently launched an app on iOS and Android that lets you browse their inventory by profitability and return on investment. Follow the affiliate link in the description and use promo code SOAT for a discount. Now, Bitcoin mining rig prices, or ASICs in general, are on the rise. And on top of that, you know, we're starting to see RTX 4090s completely disappear off the network, or off the store shelves, I should say. And we're starting to see that filter down to the rest of the GPUs. Now, due to the increase of price of GPUs at retail from the previous generation of the 3000 series, NVIDIA also never gave really good cuts on GPUs in the first place. They just ended up sitting on the shelves and people didn't buy them and they remained extremely high. Now we're getting to the point to where people are buying up these GPUs and we're starting to run out again. And then on the flip side, the ASICs are starting to go up in price. Blockstream is prepping a new sale of notes designed to profit from these rebounding prices, and it's pretty interesting. The basic note is a Bitcoin denominated investment vehicle to accrue gains from the price of ASIC mining equipment, which Blockstream anticipates will rise post-halving. And here's the thing that's interesting about this, because it's giving you as an individual, you know, obviously the potential to invest, I think, here in the uptick of the price of ASICs without buying the ASICs. I don't agree with this before we get into it. I think you should just buy the ASICs, and then, you know, obviously it takes more work, but like I said, this channel isn't about passive income. So, you know, this might get passed off to you as passive income in an easy way. The easier way it is, the easier it is, the easier it is for you to lose it. That's the way I look at it. But let's get into it. Fresh from surpassing its $5 million target in Series 1 for its basic notes designed to profit from rebounding Bitcoin mining rig prices, Blockstream is returning to the market with the Series 2. The Bitcoin infrastructure firm raised $5 million for its Blockstream ASIC basic note Series 1 in September, of which it will allocate $4.876 million to acquire Antminer S19K Pro ASIC mining machines. The target for Series 2 is yet undisclosed, according to a Blockstream spokesman. Blockstream is aiming to capitalize on historically low prices for mining hardware ahead of 2024's Bitcoin halving, according to an emailed announcement on Wednesday. Basic is a Bitcoin-denominated investment vehicle to accrue gains from the price of ASIC mining equipment, which Blockstream anticipates will rise post-halving. A pitch for the notes, getting squeaky there, describes the investment strategy like this, quote, leveraging Blockstream's long track record, leading market position, substantial scale, broad expertise, and strong relationships across the ASIC supply chain, the basic structure plans to acquire and warehouse new and unused ASICs at attractive prices, and to eventually strategically sell them back into the market as the industry rebounds within the next 12 to 24 months. Unfortunately, everybody's starting to catch on. If you guys have taken my crypto mining e-course over at sonofatech.com, you would know that this is the strategy that I've been deploying for the past, 7-8 years. So this is, obviously a very good strategy and is probably going to pay off for them. What's going to be interesting, though, is now that people are catching on to this, I think the strategy's got to shift at some point, because I think the other thing that people are missing is once the Bitcoin fees reach basically the same as the Bitcoin block reward, the newly minted Bitcoin, there we go. What we're going to see, I think, is a leveling out of the disparity between the bear market and the bull runs in that 4-year cycle. I was projecting that really to be out maybe another 3 cycles, but I think that's quickly changing because of ordinals. And ordinals are bringing up the fees on the Bitcoin network. And if that remains through the bear market, right, I think we're going to see basically an acceleration of us moving into what I think people refer to as like the macro cycle, right? Where we're going to stabilize the price of Bitcoin. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions, of course, in the live chat as well as the comment section below on that one. Now, you guys mined during the bear market. You made it through. Well, at least maybe a half of you. I know a lot of you motherfuckers over here didn't actually do it, but the ones that did, I have a new shirt for you guys, and it says, I mined with the bears for the bear market, okay? So if you mined with the bears and you want to rep that you did mine during the bear market, go ahead and head on over to shop.sonofatech.com. And the listing will be down below. I'll put it in live chat right now. I have a sweatshirt. There's a sticker if you'd rather have a sticker, t-shirt, premium shirt, all that cool stuff. Really like the new shirt. I ordered a few for myself, and I just had that design finished this week. Eventually it'll be on the YouTube channel, but that takes a little bit of time, so just give it some time. Proceeds, of course, go to supporting me in the channel, so there you go. And I thought we put some work into it, and I thought you guys might enjoy it. Thanks for watching this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. You can check out the full episode here, and don't forget to subscribe down here as well. You can also check out my crypto mining e-course at sonofatech.com, where you can get a free month of supporter status with a purchase at sonofatech.locals.com. Also, don't forget to check out my merch underneath the video or at shop.sonofatech.com. I'll see you next Tuesday.